In this video, I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. So let's get started by lifting up the Samsung Galaxy Tab and looking on the left hand side. This is where the SIM tray is, and here's the hole to eject it. Grab a tool such as this. I have this for my mobile phone, but if you have a paper clip, it will work just as effectively. Pop this into the hole. There we go. It pops out and it leaves just enough space to get your nails underneath and pull. Okay, fantastic. Next, grab the SIM card. The SIM card will fit only one way, and this is with the slight cutout being in the top left corner. So let's place that on, and there we go. We'll pick this back up and skillfully aim this and slide it back in. There we go. Pop it in, and you have now inserted your SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9. I hope that's been useful. Please give the video a thumbs up if it has been. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.